Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm here with Fundamentals to present to you lava lamps. Here at Fundamentals we have free classes each week for parents and children to take advantage of during the times of COVID-19. And we have a series of blog posts which deal with topics like great resources for learning at home, fun family activities that everybody can enjoy, great podcasts for kids, and science experiments. The science experiment we're doing today is making lava lamps. Now, making lava lamps is all about density. Density is the mass per volume of an object. That means that objects that are heavier have a higher density. Objects that are lighter have a lower density. Now, our experiment is going to use ingredients like oil, water, and food coloring. All of these have different densities. So what we're going to see is, with our experiment, is if some of our ingredients float to the top, sink to the bottom, or mix all together when we put them all in one place. Let's check it out. So today for our experiment, we need a cup or a bottle with smooth edges. If you want your experiment to last longer or you want to keep your little lava lamp with you for a longer period of time, then I recommend you use a bottle, or else the cup might spill over. We're going to need some oil, some food coloring, some water, and fizzing tablets or Alka Seltzer. I don't have Alka Seltzer, so I'm going to be using salt. And we're going to see how this experiment goes with salt. It does work best with fizzing tablets, so if you have those, I would recommend you using those. If not, salt is a cool way to try and work this out. There's also different modifications of this experiment that you can find online as well. So if you are looking forward to doing it with other ingredients, or you want to look for substitutes, you can definitely check online, and a whole bunch of things will come up. So let's get started. What we're going to do for our experiment is fill our bottle or cups a quarter of the way with water. Let's see. That looks about right. And next, we're going to fill the rest of the cup or bottle with our oil. Finish that one. And we're just going to wait a few minutes for the oil and the water to separate. After waiting a few minutes, we've seen that our oil has risen to the top and our water has remained on the bottom. Now, it looks like it was trying to separate a bit from itself because of the different densities. Again, like I said, oil has a higher density than water because it's a bit more heavier. Now, the next thing we're going to add is food coloring. And when we add our food coloring, we're going to see if the food coloring mixes in with our ingredients already, if it stays to the top, sinks to the bottom. What is it going to do? Let's check it out. We've added a bit of our food coloring and it looks like it's trying to sink to the bottom. Now, we're going to wait a few minutes and see what else happens. Waiting a few more minutes, what we've seen with our experiment is that the food coloring has sunk to the bottom so that it can mix with the water. And why is that? That is because the food coloring and the water have the same density. The oil has higher density. So the food coloring came in and it sank to the bottom to mix with the ingredient that had the same exact density as it. Now, the next part of our experiment is to add salt. What we're going to do is, if you have an Alka Seltzer tablet, this is when you crush it up and you mix it in and see what happens. I don't have that. So what we're going to do is add some salt. And we're gonna watch what happens. We're gonna put the salt in a circular motion and see how our ingredients react with each other. Looks pretty cool. I'd like to thank you all for tuning into our video today where we experimented with making lava lamps. If you like this video and want to learn more or see more about what Fundamental does, check out our website, our Instagram, or LinkedIn. We're all over the place and we're here for you. So we also have other videos of science experiments like lava lamp, egg drop challenge, and there will definitely be more coming soon. So please subscribe and like our content, and we'll see you next time.